Anyone can do this, and it's one of the most straightforward methods to generate money online. You don't need to sell anything, you don't need a large following on social media, and you don't need any prior expertise. It's as simple as copying and pasting some text, and if you stick around to the end of the video, we'll show you three more sites where you can earn money. To help you earn money, we'll show you how to use Google. As a result, this entire process should take no more than 30 minutes. And if you don't want to use PayPal, or if it's not accessible in your country, we'll show you how to utilize other payment methods. If you don't want to use PayPal, you may choose from a variety of other payment methods, such as bank transfers, Pioneer, and so on. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Step 1 is to go to google.com. Step 2 is to do a Google News search. I want you to open the first official website when you search for Google News. In this section, you'll discover up-to-date information about a wide range of subjects from across the world. It's like a daily newspaper, therefore you can find anything here. On this website, you may discover news on politics, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, and everything else you can think of. How are you going to profit from this? Your PayPal money will be delivered to you in this manner. Keep an eye on things and you'll see how it all comes together. You can see all the categories on the left side as well as news from across the world. This is a discussion on the current state of affairs in the world. You have your own local news, which we will not cover in detail because it's not our focus. You simply want to concentrate solely on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and most importantly, health. In the health category, for example, I will be presented with all the most recent news and all of the most recent articles pertaining to health and wellness. So let's have a look around and see if we can find anything fascinating here. I'd like to read this article which was just posted online. The article itself is excellent, thus it's likely to garner a large number of clicks. In order to get started, all you have to do is click on an article and begin reading. You won't have to sell anything or write anything. This has absolutely nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or any other types of marketing. Simply opening the actual article and beginning to copy the content from the particular article is all that is required. As an example, I'll paste it here and then move it to the third step. The third step is going to this website right here. This website is called spinbot.com. The article you discovered on Google News should be pasted here. This article will be rewritten for you by spinbot.com. So you can rewrite the entire article in your own words, which means that it will be absolutely unique to you. You will be utilizing these articles on 3 websites, which will be provided for you later on. These articles will be paid for by the websites that publish them. Some of them will literally pay you $1 for each word that you write for them. As you can see, the articles can include thousands of words at times. You can just do the math or to figure out how much you can make for each article. Now going back to Spinbot, you only need to copy and paste the article's content into this box. Then click I am not a robot and you're done. And the rest of the article will be rewritten for you. As you can see, the context is essentially the same, yet the words used are different from one another. It's rewriting it in your own terms, and it's doing so by employing synonyms. So you may duplicate that one-of-a-kind and revised content and submit it to the 3 websites listed below to get paid. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Eatingwell.com is the first website that we will be utilizing in our method. You can submit your own articles to eatingwell.com. You may write articles for this website and receive compensation for your efforts. Instead of putting in hours and hours of effort to write those articles, you can simply utilize Google News and Spinbot to generate unique and high-quality articles for you to get paid up to $1 per word, saving you time and money. So simply by copying and pasting an article on this website, you can get up to $1 per word, which means that if you create an article with 1,000 words, you can get paid up to $1,000 for that article. And it only took you less than 30 minutes to do it. Now, how do you go about actually submitting your article so that you can be paid? You will only need to browse down a little bit further on this website until you reach this part where you will be able to obtain their contact information. So all you have to do is copy their email address and just send them an email with the subject line submission or article submission or anything along those lines and attach the file containing your own article that you created. Once you have sent out your email, they will evaluate it, and if they like it, they will contact you to obtain your payment information. If you prefer to be paid via PayPal, you will have to let them know your PayPal email address and then type in your PayPal email address in the appropriate fields. If you want to be paid by bank transfer, just include your bank account information. The same is applicable to other modes of payment. Because news stories in Google News are posted every few hours, your selections are virtually limitless. The articles in Google News can be reused by rewriting them in Spinbot and then pasting or saving them to your computer and submitting them on these websites. On sierraclub.org, you can also submit articles for publication. These are the instructions that are required to submit your articles to the website. All you have to do is email them using this email address. Now, in sierraclub.org, you can't submit health and fitness articles. What you need to submit are articles that are related to science and technologies. Therefore, open a science-related article, copy its text, and save it onto Spinbot. Allow the website to rework it for you, and then after that, you may send it to Sierra Club's email address. The third and the last website where you can submit your articles to is called dailyjstore.org. You may read more about how it works by visiting their submission criteria. This website will pay you somewhat less, but still it's worth using because you can earn some extra money and optimize your results with this method. While it's not as high as the previous two websites, it is still rather reasonable at 31 cents. On average, 31 cents per word is not unrealistic since it quickly accumulates. The more articles you provide to these websites, the more money you can earn. Naturally, not every article will be approved. Even if only one article is accepted each day, that's hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per day simply by copying and pasting. It's all completely free and there's no need to wait. You can instantly begin using this method. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.